Hello, good morning students. This is class for 10th exercise pair of linear equations in two variables, and you have completed exercise 3.6 and few questions are remain balanced. We are doing that question from 3.6 and we'll start 3.7, and you will do this optional chapter because of this is very important chapter for you, and few questions are very important, usually comes in your examination, but here written these exercises are not from the examination point of view, but you must do this, you must practice this chapter. So we are going to start this thing. Okay, thank you. Come. This is lockdown 3.0 class 10 mathematics chapter 3 exercise 3.6 and 3.7. And 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work, and also that taken by 1 man alone. Let time taken by 1 man to finish the work, this question 2. Let the time taken by 1 man to finish the work be x days. You have to find x days, and the time taken by 1 woman to finish the work in y days. This is your supposition. You have to find this x days and y days from question. Then by question, in x days 1 man finish 1 work. In x days 1 man finish 1 work. This is finish the work. This work is 1 work. X days 1 man finish 1 work. 1 day, in 1 day 1 man finish 1 by x work. In 4 days 4 times 4 into 1 by x. 5 men, 1 man can do this thing, 5 men can do multiplied by 5, 4 into 5 by x, 20x, 20 by x. Similarly, in x days 1 man finish 1 work. In x days 1 man finish 1 work. Then in 3 days, second part here, 3 days, this is 3 days, 3 days 6 men. Then here in 3 days 6 men finish, just like multiplication by x here, so multiply this 3 and 6 by x, so 18 by x. Now come for the women. Here 2 women 4 days, 3 women 3 days. Here come for that. Now come to female work. In y days 1 woman finish 1 work. In 1 day 1 woman finish 1 by y work. In 4 days 2 women. In 4 days 2 women multiply this 8 by y. Okay, and similarly y days in y days 1 woman finish 1 work. So therefore in 3 days 3 women, 3 3s are 9 by y. So male and female, here see how to write the question. 2 women 5 men 4 days. So first of all write this equation here, 2 women 5 men. So 2 women 5 men is where? Here 5 men 4 days, 5 men 4 days, and 2 women 4 days. Add this thing and that is 1 work. Means 5 men 20 by x plus 8 by y. So this 20 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 1 work. Or and similarly here write down this and this. Similarly you will write 18 by x plus 9 by y, 18 by x plus 9 by y, that is equal to 1 work. Now solve this. Suppose let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. Similarly you have solved this question. You do this and we can write the above equation as 8b plus 20a is equal to 1, 9b plus 18a is equal to 1. This multiply this by 9 and multiply this by 8. Okay, then this will be 9 8 is 72, 9 8 is 72, and subtract this, it will be by elimination method you can solve it. So 72b minus 72b, and by elimination method you get a is equal to 1 by 36, but a is 1 by x. A is 1 by x, that is equal to 1 by 36, so x equal to 36 days. So a equal to 1 by 36, putting in 3, 8b plus 20 into a is what? A is 1 by 36, put 20 by 36. So what you got? 20 by 36 into is equal to 1 by y is equal to 1 by 18, so y is equal to 18 days. So what you got? X equal to 36 days and y equal to 18 days. Therefore, one man alone finish work in x days, that is equal to 36 days, and one woman alone finish the work in y days, that is equal to 18 days. Exercise 3.7, this is optional, but we are going to do few questions from here. 1, 3, 5, 7, 4 and 8. 1, 3, 5, 7, 4 and 8. Okay, now come. The ages of two friends Annie and Biju differ by 3 years. Annie's father Dharam is twice as old as Annie and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. The ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Find the ages of Annie and Biju. So let the age of Annie and age of Biju. Let the age of Annie be x years and the age of Biju be y years. So let x greater than y. So x minus y. The question is differ by 30. Differ by 3 years. Annie and Biju's differ by 3 years. So x minus y equal to 3. This is equation number 1. Annie's father Dharam is twice as old as Annie. So Annie's age is x. So Annie's father Dharam's age. Annie's father Dharam's age is equal to twice x. Biju's sister Kathy's age equal to half of this Biju's age. So y by 2. The ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. So here you will write now by question, ages of Dharam differ by Kathy. Kathy is y by 2, so 2x minus y by 2 is equal to 30. Solve this, 4x minus y equal to 60 and y is equal to 4x minus 60. Put this value y here in 1. X minus y equal to 3. X minus y, 4x, replace this y. 4x minus 60 is equal to 3. X minus 4x plus 60 equal to 3. So you get x equal to 19 years. Putting this value x here, x is equal to 19, putting here. So y is equal to what? You got x equal to 19. From 2, y is equal to 4x minus 60. 4 into 19 minus 60, this is equal to 16 years. So Annie's age x 19 years and Biju's age y equal to 16 years. And now come to question number 3. What is question number 3? The train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, it would have been taking 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. Let the distance be x kilometer and uniform speed y kilometer per hour. Time taken is equal to distance by speed x by y. This is number 1. Speed increased by 10 km. Then what is the speed? Speed is y plus 10. Time taken x by y plus 10. So which one is time more? So this time is more. Speed increased, time decreased. So this time is less than this. So x by y minus x by y plus 10 is equal to 2. Solve this in, you will get x equal to this thing. Okay, this is number 3. Let this number equation number 3. Similarly, if slower, then it will be y minus 10. Y minus 10. Time will more. So this time, this minus this, number 1, this will get 3 hours. Okay, solve this, you will get this 3. Okay, now from 3 and 4 you will get equate this thing. Both what you got, x equal to this thing, x equal to this and x equal to this, both are equal. Equate this thing, and check it. Cancel, y cancel. 2y plus 20 is equal to 3y minus 30, so y equal to 50 years. Putting this value y 50 in anyone, so x is equal to 600 kilometer. This is the distance covered by the train. Okay, and that is speed. If you want to get the speed of the train, uniform speed, that will be 50 kilometer per hour. Question number 5 is, since c is equal to 3b, c is equal to this, both c is equal to this given, c is equal to 3 angle b, 3 angle b, and c is equal to 2 times angle a plus b. 3b is equal to 2a, 3, this is c, so 3 this and this both are equal. 3b is equal to this, subtract this, so b is equal to 2a. Now you know a plus b plus c is equal to 180. A instead of b you can write 2a, and c is equal to, you can write 3b. So 3 to 5 over 1 6b, 3 to 5 over 1 6b is equal to 180. So you got 9a is equal to 180, so a equal to 20. 7 4. What is this? A minus b x plus a plus by is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and second equation is a plus b multiply x plus y is equal to a square plus b square. Come to solve this question. This we can write this equation as this same, but this a plus b multiplied y x a square minus 2ab minus b square minus a square minus b square. So you will get here x is equal to a plus b. From 1 and 3 what you get? A minus b, a plus b plus a plus by is equal to this. So what you got? This is a square minus b square, subtract that side, and this is your answer. A B C D is cyclic quadrilateral, given figure. Angles are given, A B C D, A is given, B is given, C is given, D is given. And now see, in cyclic quadrilateral, sum of A and C is equal to 180 and sum of B and D is equal to 180. On that basis we are going to solve this thing. Cyclic quadrilateral, A plus C 180, B plus D equal to 180. So 4y plus 220 plus minus 4x equal to 180. Solve this. Minus x plus y is equal to 40. So y is equal to 40 plus x. 3y minus 5 plus this, both angles, sum of this is equal to 180. Solve this thing. Plus this equal to 180, you will get this. Put this value, y is equal to 40 plus x. So 3 40 plus x minus 7x is equal to 180. So 4 3 is 120 plus 3x minus 7x is equal to 180 minus 4x, subtract that, 180 minus 120 60, x is equal to minus 15. Now since y is equal to 40 plus x and you got minus 15, so y is equal to 14 minus 15, that is equal to 25. Now come to angle A. If you want to get angle A, write down A is what? A is 4y plus 20, 4y plus 20, 4y is 25 plus 20, 120. B is 3y minus 5, 3y minus 5, 3 into 25 minus 5, 75 minus 5 is 70. C is minus 4x, minus 4 into minus 50 is 60, and D is minus x plus y is equal to minus 7, x is minus 15 plus 5, and this is equal to 110. Thus you finish this exercise and you have completed this exercise also. Exercise 3.7 optional question, and you do all questions from here, and next time I will start another chapter for you. Thus we completed this 3.6 and 3.7. Thank you. Bye. All the best. Stay at home.